Hi, and welcome to today's edition of Market Analysis. Today is October the 31st, Monday, October 31st. I'm Giovanni Benacourt, trader and analyst with Vantage Markets. Well, let's begin talking about what we can expect or what are some of the major news in the markets for this week. This week is going to be a pretty much moved week. We are going to be having this week lots of information coming out. For example, on Thursday, we are going to be seeing the Bank of England come out with this interest rate, as well as the Fed. The Federal Reserve is going to give its number on Thursday. And then we have also the job numbers on Friday. Also, we'll be seeing today. We saw the European CPI coming in, and so we're gonna be having a lot of information that's gonna come out this week. As for news, well, one of the best out of this volatile market is obviously the Dow, which has done pretty well. So far this month is up 14.4%, and is on track to record its best month since January of 1976. That's a whole long time ago. Now, when the Federal Reserve meets, a third of the S&P 500 companies will have report earnings. Okay, so just to mention some of for this week, we're gonna be receiving earnings from Average Budget, some of Airbnb, BP, Uber, Moderna, just to name a few of those important companies that are gonna be posting this week, and so that should bring some movement to the markets. Okay, as per the news about Twitter, well, we all know Musk bought Twitter and it's going to take it private. It's going to be delisted on November the 8th. So say bye-bye to Twitter. Some also in regards to that, there's no, they're reporting that 12 hours after the deal was closed, the the hateful speech, racist word towards black people shot up 500% during the first 12 hours after the deal closed. So that is, that's what it's all about, I guess. That's why he wanted it, I guess, to see people come on and express their emotions. But, it is what it is. And so then we also are going to be talking about, or we'll look about how Americans this winter are going to have lower heating bills, but higher food prices, since Russia is again preventing Ukraine from exporting grain. So this could probably raise global prices for wheat, corn, and other foods, soybean. So that keep an eye on those markets. As far as how far are we gonna when are we gonna when is this conflict going to end? There's nothing on the table or nothing on the horizon so far. So that is gonna be obviously something to keep an eye on. And then let's see what will come out of this anyhow in regards to the markets. So Charles Schwab is talking about that they're probably by March of 2023 we'll have an interest rate of 5% instead of 4%. So that's that's something we gotta keep our eye on to see if that's gonna happen. That's between now and March. So that's gonna be our real quick rundown of news. Now, what can we expect in regards to markets? Well, and we're looking at the euro. Euro is really retracing from that parity. It traded above it briefly, and then it just retraced 99, perhaps 98.9 is going to be where we find some support. Okay, uh, for the euro. Let's take a look at the pound. The pound will probably have some support coming down to 115. Okay, then we're gonna take a look at the S&P 500 movements in the S&P 500. Um, right now, yeah, it's trading lower. Let's see if the 38.70, 38.50 will be the price. I'm thinking 38.65, 38.70. It's going to be the support level for the S&P for today. Um, this is going to be what? Let's see. Why this is not okay? Let's take a look at gold. All right, we have gold here. Perhaps having a look at gold to come down to 1630, but it's actually making a triple bottom here at 1635. That's holding pretty well. And last, let's take a look at crude oil real quick. Crude oil, we are just in a nice range, $85, 86 will be our channel for today. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Let's start off tomorrow with a better month, okay? And have a fantastic trading day.